Hi guys. All right, before we jump into this Dollar Tree haul today, I have to show you this this thrifted top. What? How adorable. Look, there's a boat on the back sailing away into a dream, into a nightmare. With me, it could be either or. Okay, so I have 2 full bags today to go through. I did find a bunch of new stuff, so get out your notepad, your pen, paper, your iPhone list, like whatever it is, and let me show you what I got. So just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna show a repeat purchase, these strawberry borders. I love how they kind of have this like on the vine look, and these soft cute little white flowers, so pretty. You guys know I love junk journaling with these, but they are like made for like teachers, you know, so they can do borders or whatever. Which they're getting better at these prints and designs, by the way. Sorry. I just filmed a previous video and I did a taste test on those croissants and I'm still like, I don't know. Okay, then I picked up some more of the men's socks. Now, I do love the men's socks. Like, I'm 10 out of 10. Like, I love my Dollar Tree socks, and they've all historically been men's. Now I have a size 8 women's foot, so what I found is that this like 6 to 12 fits me generally pretty decently, so take that for what you will. And I love these because I can like scrunch them up and it just makes me feel like the 80s and 90s, so love that. So I picked up another set. Then I picked up these envelopes with the clasp, and I have not hauled this in such a long time, I feel like, and I want to junk journal with this a little bit more and like find unique ways to use this. So I got that for my stash. All right, new item alert. These adorable cosmetic bags. What? I love this color palette. Yes, it's perfection. Look at this color palette with the black, $1.25. The reason why I'm just like so taken back by this, honestly, is because I feel like this can be a hit or a miss with Dollar Tree, and it's mostly a miss in my opinion, because they'll like write words and sometimes the words I just don't resonate with them. And this is just like perfection. Now it's $1.25. Yeah, you're not gonna really get anything like cute and lined on the inside. Sometimes you do, most times you don't. But this yellow one is probably my favorite, but all 3 so cute for traveling, so I got that. Then I picked up this mask, the Yes 2 mask. So these I see at like Walmart and Target. Sometimes they end up at Dollar Tree, I don't know why. This is the brightening peel off mask with vitamin C to brighten dull and uneven skin, and it's grapefruit. So that would be a great pickup for Mother's Day for a gift basket. Then I found a bunch of books. You always got to be on the lookout for these. You never know when the books are going to hit. So it should be a section that I would suggest always shopping by and just taking a look. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of like flip through these so that you can at least see the illustration. Junk journalers, you can definitely use these, put them into your signatures. Obviously it's great for moms to put it into like your little library section at home. Like, look at this. This is $1.25. Excuse me? This is giving Goldilocks, who's been eating my porridge. That's the name of this book. It's probably the cutest one so far in my opinion. I really like the illustrations on that one. A wolf at the door. I don't know, is this like Little Red Riding Hood? Like a twist on that. Oh, a little squirrel just popped up. If Loki sees it, he's gonna go crazy. But anyway, so there's that one. This cover is stunning. Like, I would deconstruct this and use this in like in a fall. That's When I'm Happy is the name of this book. So cute. Oh, that's a pretty page. Yeah, this is definitely giving fall vibes. Look at that. Okay, so there's that one. And then If You Can, We Can. Oh, that's pretty. I love that each book seems to have its own like unique color style, I guess you could say. All right, so there's that. Now let's move on into the second bag. I found these Lipton's like packets of iced tea. Yeah, I got 2 of them. I have this one, which is the Southern Sweet Tea, and then this one, which is the iced tea and lemon. And the moment that I saw this, I was like, this would look so cute, like in a cup or something. So I picked up these. Now this is more of like a soup mug, but because it's big, like I got 2 different ones. I also got, I'm gonna do like a little, I'm gonna insert a video here in a second so you can see. I also got this like citrus squeezer in red. I thought I also got it in, yeah, I also got it in yellow. I wanted to make 1 cup red and 1 cup yellow, and then I thought about adding like just a lemon. And like, that's it. You can even add a ribbon around it if you wanted to make it extra cute. But like, that would be a sweet way to give like sweet tea. I didn't mean to like do that whole play on words. But yeah, so just like an easy little gift, you know, for someone. Okay, next up, I picked up these scented garbage bags. This is the 4-gallon, and I thought this would be the perfect size for my bathroom trash bags. And they have this in multiple scents too, which like blew me away. So this is lemon. I think they have like vanilla. There is a blue. I don't know what the blue is. Maybe like a cotton or a clean scent or something. But they have a ton of different colored bags with this. So yeah, I got that for the bathroom trash bags, which all of my trash cans in my house that are in my bathrooms are Dollar Tree. I also picked up High Chew, but I already opened into it. So there's that. Okay, next up, LA Colors put out makeup remover wipes. I feel like this is the first time we've seen it, but Mother's Day is really soon, so you could pick this up. I love that it's pink, so if you wanted to do like a color scheme or a certain color palette, and pink is one of them, this is really cute. So there's that. I picked up another one of these sunflower note card sets. You get 8, which is awesome. Oh, here's another one. Vanilla. Like, it smells like vanilla. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this and tell you guys if it smells like that. I've gotten the lemon one before, so I know it smells like it. It does not last very long though, so I will say that. I mean, yeah. In a very nice, subtle way too. Like, it doesn't smell like chemicals. I don't know how strong that's gonna come off. Like, you're gonna walk into your space and like, this is what you're gonna smell. I don't think so, but I actually kind of like that. I would rather these bags more so focus on that one area, just the garbage can, instead of like perfuming or scenting the whole room, if that makes sense. So take that for what you will, I guess. I also picked up some more of the casino cards. I picked up this one because it's purple. And then I picked up this one because it's pink. Pleasure Pit. I know this is a real casino. And then the palms in red. So love that. All right, then I picked up a bunch of stickers, so I'm just gonna like rotate through them so that you can see. They look like this cute little safari one with the giraffe and the whole gang. So cute. Then we have Sweet Little Mermaids, which my mermaid kit is out. I don't know if by now that you're watching this it's sold out or not, but if you want to just double check, I'll link it down in the description box below. But there's that. This one's probably my favorite. I don't know why, but I'm so drawn to like outer space and little aliens and things. I think it's because I love Star Trek Voyager so much. But like, that's so cute. I can't let I had to get the llamas because I wanted you guys to see that this seems like a full collection. Like all of these together, I've noticed just got released. So I'm not a fan of the llamas, but I do love the rainbows. Then we have the robots, which is just, I love the robots too. So freaking darling. And then a sports, which is really nice too. Love that. All right, now I'm gonna end today's video in a shock. This is gonna send some of y'all running. So let me just get it staged. Reusable containers. I don't know why they're calling them containers. I don't know if that's like the right word, but yeah. I bought these from like Amazon once upon a time, or like even at like TJ Maxx, so that, who remembers when I did the whole beach setup and I went and got stuff for my beach bag, from like, I even got a book sleeve so I could take my books to the beach but have a sleeve to put the book in or my Kindle in so sand wouldn't get into it. I did that whole thing. I could make sandwiches and put it in like these things. Now it's at Dollar Tree, and look at the prints. And the most exciting part and the best news about this is why I tell you guys so much about labels, it's a Dollar Tree label. This Sure Fresh is the Dollar Tree label. It's been around for as long as I can remember. Probably one of the oldest brands at Dollar Tree, and they make it in, so you get this one large one for $1.25, and they also give you 2 of the smaller one for $1.25. And can we talk about this lemon and tangerine print? And then the watermelons. What is happening? But you know what? Once again, I have to say it. Since we went from $1 to $1.25, like, this is what I expect to see, if I'm being honest. There's still some areas that I feel like are stale and Dollar Tree needs to revamp, but like, we're getting there. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know what from this haul you are going to be shopping for yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.